When it comes to choosing a career, marami talagang nalilito. We all want a path that feels right for us. Yung hindi lang basta trabaho, but something we can enjoy and grow in. Pero dahil ang daming choices, normal lang naman na hindi agad natin alam kung saan magsimula. Kaya mahalaga na kilalanin natin ang ating sarili, subukan ng iba't ibang opportunities, at makinig sa insights ng mga taong nakapaligid sa atin. Today, pag-usapan natin ang 4 na practical ways na makatutulong sa iyo na mas maintindihan kung anong career ang tunay na babagay sa strength at sa interest mo. Una, kailangan nating pumili ng industry na tugma sa passion natin. Hindi lang ito basta gusto ko ito, but more of understanding what naturally excites you or what activities you enjoy doing. For example, mahilig ka sa science, you might look into health, research, or technology-related careers. Kung creative ka at mahilig ka sa arts, pwede kang pumasok sa design, media, animation, or content creation. Kung people-oriented ka naman, you might thrive into teaching, HR, community service, or community work. Ang idea dito is simple lang. Mas nag-enjoy at nag-excel tayo kapag nasa field tayo na connected sa mga bagay na gusto natin at komportable tayong gawin. Next, subukan natin mismo yung career na gusto natin bago tayo mag-commit. Hindi kailangan na biglaan o full-time agad. Pwede nating simulan sa maliit na steps tulad ng internships, volunteering, job shadowing, freelancing, online courses, or project-based tasks. Kapag kasi na-experience natin yung environment, responsibilities, at pace ng trabaho, mas nagiging clear kung suitable ba talaga yung career na yun para sa atin. Madalas dito natin nalaman kung, okay, ito pala talaga yung gusto ko. Or maybe, hindi talaga ito yung para sa akin. Kaya third, humingi tayo ng outside opinion. Minsan kasi, hindi natin napapansin lahat ng strengths, talents, or potential natin. Pero, yung ibang tao, mas nakikita nila yon objectively. Pwede tayong magtanong sa teachers, sa mentors, sa friends, family, or professionals in that field. Yung feedback kasi nila is makatulong sa atin na maintindihan kung ano talaga yung skills natin, ano yung mga bagay sa personality natin, at kung saan tayo may strong potential to grow. Sometimes, one good piece of advice from others can point us in the right direction. And finally, kailangan nating unahin at seryosohin yung goal natin. Finding a career you love doesn't happen overnight. It requires effort, consistency, and patience. Nakapaloob dito yung researching regularly, joining training or workshops, practicing and developing your skills, connecting with people with the same field, and taking small but meaningful steps towards your chosen career. Kapag ginawa nating priority ang paghahanap at pagde-develop ng career na gusto natin, mas nagiging realistic at achievable ang dream na yon. Remember, passion grows when you invest time and effort into something. In the end, choosing a career you're passionate about isn't just about picking a job. It's about understanding yourself and taking intentional steps toward a future you genuinely want. Through knowing your interests, trying different opportunities, listening to guidance, and staying committed, you slowly build a clear picture of where you belong. Hindi man agad-agad ito dumadating, pero bawat experience, advice, at effort na binibigay mo pushes you to a closer path that feels right for you. And when you finally find that career that aligns with your passion, skills, and values, everything becomes more fulfilling because it's something you choose with purpose and something you grow with dedication.